Hey guys, and welcome back to The Bearded Dane. Today I'm coming at you with a follow-up on Infernal Beard Co. So, Infernal Beard Co. I did a review on them just about a week ago. Oh, and by the way, sorry if my beard looks kind of messy today. I just washed it. We have a pretty intense heat here today in Denmark. It's pretty hot. So my beard is just all over the place and I need a trim. And well, I have nothing in it, just washed it. Anyways. I am doing a follow-up on these guys here, out of the UK. It's the Infernal Beard Co. I don't know if you remember, I did a review on this guy a little over a week ago. And some new stuff has happened since then, so stay tuned for this. And please go and subscribe, Down here is this little red thing. If you put the cursor or your mouse on that, subscribe will pop up and you subscribe. Pretty easy, please do so. Like the video if you like it. Dislike if you do, tell me why, and comment, have you tried Infernal Beard Co. yet? If not, well, go to their website down below here and do it, and if you have, well, tell me about your experience with them. To me they are pretty unique, actually. In many ways it's new to Europe to have a beard oil. We only have a couple now of companies really that are worth talking about, and this is definitely one of them. So, first of all, I was so impressed with this one sweet almond oil. That's all there is in this as a carrier oil, the rest is essential oils for scent. I was so impressed with this one little fella here that I, took contact to the company and asked if they could maybe ship me another cent, 2 cents, whatever, just to see if, well, the consistency is good in all of them. And they did. Look at this. That's all of their 5 oils right now. They don't have butters, don't have balm, they have oils, they have apparel, they have t-shirts, hoodies, beanies, and they have these bottles in different sizes. These are 30 ml. You can get them smaller if you want to test them before buying a large one. Go to their website, it's amazing, and look at this packaging. That's pretty amazing, really it is. This is a new company. You wouldn't think it was a new company when you see the products and when you try the scent out. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. And now I'm just going to go to a website to be sure. But first I'm going to show you something. Now here you have the box. You open it up by pressing down below here. And there you have the oil coming out. This is pretty nice. It really is. So, this guy here. This is the Green Man, that's what it's called. And the Green Man is chamomile, it's benzoin, it's ginger, patchouli and cedarwood. I'm just going to give it a sniff to see if I get that in there. And I do. I actually even get the benzoin. You get the ginger and the cedarwood as well. Then there are some back notes of the rest of the products in here. And you see this is a nice white oil. I'm just getting out like 4 drops of this. And I'm going to show you, as you can see here, this is a medium to thick oil really. So even though it's only sweet almond oil that's in here as a carrier, this is nice. Oh, and the scent is, it's made like, you have this herbal garden maybe, where you have been stomping around on all the herbs, and the scent just, it attacks your nose really, like, this is a nice scent. This is amazing. I love this Green Man. And then, when you're finished using it, you can pop it back into the box and close it up if you like. Next one we have here, same system. And you pop it out. And what do we have? We have the Archangel Michael. See this here? This is nice. It's bergamot, frankincense and geranium, geranium in here, and frankincense and bergamot. So, just giving it a sniff to see if I get that. Whoa. This is amazing. It's almost cologne without being cologne, but you get this kind of cologne-ish feel to it in bottle at least. And I get the frankincense and I get the bergamot. The geranium, I get that in the background. Man, just to show you here again, same white oil, well, sweet almond oil, I guess that's what you're going to get. Now I'm just going to put a bit more drops together here to see. And yeah, you can see it's more to the medium to thick here as well. This is amazing. With only one carrier oil he's doing this. Oh, this is... This reminds me of something. The mix of this reminds me of when I was a kid actually. We had this bathtub, soap we put in. Oh, man, this is amazing. This is really, really, really nice. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, thank you, Infernal Beard Co, for sending me these, because these are amazing products, really, they are. Next one up, same system. You pop it out. And you get Gershon. That's this little fella here. I don't know if you can see, because the bottles are so shiny, But in here you get ylang ylang, if I'm saying it right. You're getting myrrh, you're getting sandalwood, and you're getting grapefruit. Grapefruit. Okay. Oh, and I'm sorry, I'm sweating. It's so really, really hot here today. Anyways, yeah. I know, and greasy oils and sweat, kind of straight. Yeah, anyways, no. Oh, I get the myrrh in this one. I get the grapefruit and the ylang ylang as well. Sandalwood is very, very much in the background. That's not normal for sandalwood, but I like it's not in front. You see here again the same clear, consistent color. Same again. Oh, whoa. Just, I have nothing in beard, so I'm going to put this in. This is amazing. The Gershon beard oil from Infernal Beard Co. I like that one. Well, so far I liked all of them, but this one is nice. And it's going in beard because I know how this feels in my beard. This sweet almond oil is really, really working with my beard to soften it. And it's going to, also, as I said in my first video of these guys, it works like, it's easier to straighten my beard. I just need a comb for that. I don't have a comb here right now. If I had, it would be the easiest job in the world to simply just straighten it out. So, next one. And here, now I'm going to wait with that one. This one here, that's the Cthulhu. Really, guys, this is, oh, sorry about that. This is so nice. So if anyone here is into Cthulhu, they have this role-playing game, but it's also a mythos. So if you're into that, well, you should go and buy this. It's kind of a homage to Cthulhu, I would say. And what you're getting in this one is rosewood, it's black pepper, it's chamomile, it's rosemary, and it's cedarwood. Again, the cedarwood, it's like cedarwoods and everything here, almost, not everyone, but it's kind of, in some of them it's the background, so I like that, it's just like a base of cedarwood in the background. I'm getting confused here. Now I just put in the Gershon. This one is amazing. I played a lot of Call of Cthulhu back in my days. Have some books even on the mythos of Cthulhu, so hey, go buy this if that's what you're into. Wow, 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 wow. I get the rosewood, I get the chamomile, I get the rosemary, I get this kind of hint from the black pepper. It's not like it's tickling my nose, sorry for doing the face like it did, but I get this black pepper for an extra spice, and then the cedar wood put nicely in the background. He's an artist, you know? That guy from Infernal Beard Co., he's definitely an artist, you know? This is amazing. Same clear oil, same consistency. See if I can smell anything here anymore. It's 5 oils almost now I have in my hands. Wow. Oh God. This is amazing. Oh, I get it all, man. I get the rosewood, the black pepper, the chamomile, I get the rosemary and the cedar wood. It's all just in your face. In a nice, subtle way. It's not like it's going to smell up the whole room if you wear this. Oh, I know I have the other one, but I just, whoa. $8.39 right now, pounds, on their website. Every 30 mil, sorry about the noise outside, every 30 mil oil on their website, $8.39. Go shop there, because this is an insane bargain for these oils. Man, oh man, this is amazing. So, the last oil I got from them this time here, well, it's actually the same oil as I already have. Here we have it, it's the Morning Star. Remember that fella? I did a review on that a little over a week ago. I did it in this one. So as you can see, well, they changed up their game on the, you know, the artwork here is so nice now. I told them on the video that this kind of looked a bit scrappy, not so professional, and they did something about that. I know they're still working on doing it even better. It's a new company, guys. It's so new. They have t-shirts, they have hoodies, they have beanies, stuff. Go check out their website, you know. And well, just for the sake of, you know, doing it again. Yeah, that little oil here was the reason why I wanted more from them. It's mandarin, lavender, neroli, clove and benzoin. And you get it all again, you know, and I have used this oil a lot. Well, yeah. And again, you get what's in it. And it's so nice, calming scents. If you're into that, if you're into these natural calming scents, it's 100% natural oil. You know, guys, go to their website. I am going to post a link down below. Get an oil or 5 oils, and you're getting for a bargain of $8.39, so 8.5 pounds, you know, UK pounds, sterlings. This is cheap, so do it now before they go up into the 12-13 zone where they normally are, which is still cheap. Go to their website, you know, and buy some stuff, because you won't regret it. And as you know from me, well, I'm not biased. I am not, you know, this is you get 100% out of me what I get in these bottles. I don't get paid to do this. This is out of my own, well, got these for free. Bought this one. These are out of my own pocket. I do it because I enjoy this. And I wouldn't tell you guys something's good if it's not. And you know, I have some videos where I tell you guys something isn't that good, because it isn't. This is amazing. For a new company, are you kidding me? Go check this out. I really mean it, man. So, without further ado, I'm just going to get out of here and, well, let you get on with your day. This has become a bit of a long review here, or follow-up on these 5 oils. Go check them out. Website down below. Have a nice day.